Hey everyone, it's Frankie, and the whole video is just going to be about me. I'm doing a video on Christmas just for me. We're opening this. Frankie and I are going to be opening the vanity set for Frankie. I was going to record this on a new camera I got, but I don't have an SD card for it, so it might be a little bit before we do this with the camera. So, yeah, let's open it. So the box says Monster High, has the logo. On the top it says Monster High. It says the vanity, and it has like the little stitch heart. It's got the cute artwork, which I'm keeping. On the side we see Frankie, if it would focus. Stop focusing on the... she's blow drying her hair. And some sparks happen. And she evaporates. The back. Be yourself, be unique, be a monster. The perfect starting place for a Frankenstein to charge into a day at Monster High. And there she is with her vanity. Fun.
I'm gonna charge getting ready.
Shocking secrets lurk behind the mirror of Frankenstein. Me, actually. She's a vampire! Help! Got it open by cheating, but... Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Come out. Hang on. There it is! I hope you guys enjoy. Anyways, no, I'm kidding. I'm beautiful. Got some things in the back. So there's that. Come out. This thingy will come out if I try. Dang it. Gonna push it. Ow. She's been impaled by this thing. Sir. Hey guys, welcome to my room. This display, so I'm just gonna leave the chair here. It's semi-focusing, so the chair is, I think, what's supposed to be a bunch of lightning in blue. It has her skullette in white. It has like it's actual plastic, but a cushion, a type. It's pink, and then there's a black rim with dots on it. Or are those dots? I don't know. It's like a bolt right here because it's gonna learn thingy, and yeah. This big thing. So it comes with the mirror. The mirror does not have plastic. It has like this blue background with a black rim. It has, if I can open it, a drawer right here that opens and closes. It has bolts, legs, I think, for bolts, I don't know. It has this cool lightning bolt shelf that you can put your stuff in, and some lightning, and the thingy right there, the Monster High Skull. Sorry. It came with these like strands, and you plug them in. Hang on. Okay, so I attached them. They pop in right there, and the blue strand connects to her bolts, and this is a little hair dryer, so she can just. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's a little beaker, perfume bottle, super cute. Here we have her little, what I want to call makeup bag. It's super cute. It opens really easily. As a lightning bolt handle. I don't know what this shape is, but cute, I guess. This little makeup brush. So, my camera's having trouble focusing today. Please. Please. There it is. Here, it's a makeup brush. And while it's focusing, I'm gonna put in the makeup. Look, it's focusing. You're doing amazing. Wait, where are you? Where's, oh. So she can just like, dang it! I sure can't wait to get my makeup done. This looks like a choking thing. Help me. Anyways, oh, I'm so charged up. I'm totally in great feelings right now. All good vibes. I promise. Anyways, her perfume. Her makeup bag. Super cute and trendy. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna put on my makeup because I'm so beautiful because my family walked in, so now I have to do a voiceover at 3 in the morning. But it's okay. Let's just put on our makeup and let's open our little makeup bag. Let's put our little makeups in our bag and let's close it up. And let's set it down. Let me unchoke me real quick. Oh my god. Goodbye everyone. I hope you enjoyed my grand unboxing. Goodbye.